I know this might step on some toes, but Haitians make some of the best rice, period. We have so many different types of rice, but digi jonjon, now that's next level. It's made with rare black mushroom that only grows in Haiti, harvested in the mountains. It's earthy, bold, and full of nutrients, but it's more than flavor. Dr. Sebi described jonjon as an alkaline food that helps realign the body and fuel it on a deeper cellular level. So it gives your body real energy, not that quick caffeine spike, but energy that truly feeds and restores your body. Let your jonjon boil, blend and strain it. That's how you unlock that deep earthy flavor. That dark broth, that's where the magic is. A piece always adds another layer of flavor. I like adding green beans and coconut milk. Let it cook a bit, then pour in your jonjon broth. Add sea salt and taste the water. It needs to be seasoned before adding your rice. Then drop in some thyme, scotch bonnet for that peppery aroma. And look at that rice, that natural color, no artificial anything. That's straight from the jonjon. This is Haitian pride on a plate. Enjoy.